So this is calm because this is just the little inlet right here.
Yeah, we're gonna stay in the bays and all of that. We're not gonna go past that second bridge.
Yeah.
I'm not going to that white water like that.
So we here. What up, everybody? We made it to Marina 59. Anthony Brothers and Bait. Fish Guts in the house. Cordell in the house. We about to get on some Fluke and whatever's out there. We trying to get on everything. All right, stay tuned.
Oh yeah, we want to see what that flutter spoon do right now.
Well, we're gonna all be tying our flutter spoons on. Yeah, I was like, oh, we are close. That's why I said if it's too windy, we'll head to Magnolia.
Man, we might just stop by the Verrazano Bridge after this.
Why not? We're already on the Brooklyn side.
After this, Frank.
All right.
You got
Dazzles.
Soup Nazi on 55th, bro.
Yeah.
The one that's in Seinfeld.
Yeah.
It's up to you. You got the lobster fish. Oh, and my girl loves his the lobster. What's that? The sandwiches.
Oh, the lobster roll.
But I can't eat lobster cold. It's just like I can't eat.
What, the soup, man?
Yeah.
Oh,
You used to bring stuff to him.
I used to go there a lot.
That shit is good, bro. The
Ain't that?
lobster fish.
Okay. Fish on.
Okay.
Fish on. Stuck him with the hook.
Right.
Go.
Another little guy. All right, you gonna spit it up? You know y'all good for that. All right, might as well show y'all what he looks like. Oh yeah, we got him good. We rigged him. We rigged him. All right, don't move. Take this out of your mouth. Send you on your way, okay?
He loves talking to the fish.
Goodbye. They love it. When that fish in, he ain't kicking no more. Yeah, he nice. It's one of the better ones today.
One of the better ones. Let's get a picture of me. Get a 17.
That's your National Geographic right there.
I'm already stopped. Until next time, enjoy your wild.
Enjoy your wild America. It's not WWF either.
That's how I caught my first one yesterday.
If it's moving, they going for it.
Yeah, right?
Word. Fluke, yo, if Fluke with gigantic fish, they'd be dangerous. Yeah.
That's what I want.
You saw the Fluke Pedro caught the other day on the boat?
Nah.
He put some pictures, man. Fluke's looking good, man. Teeth are mad big.
This is a nice one.
Let's go, Ant. Get the net.
Alright, we ain't got it. He lightened up though.
Ooh. It's short, but it's a good start. They getting bigger.
We in a good spot for the Fluke, y'all.
Now,
Fluke might get crazy if they
I gotta stop.
the sand fleet.
Come on, Frank.
Yeah, I gotta
We
stop
gotta get the
playing
keeper
games.
now.
Word up. Let me bring this up. Make sure I got bait. Out here working with no bait. I did get hit a few times. Alright, I still got bait. Nobody else catch one, all right?
We can't tell the Fluke what to do.
I swear I didn't bring no bananas. Fluke can tell me what to do.
That's the had the spirit on it.
It's hitting the bottom, but it ain't staying on that.
Yeah, I don't feel the bottom either. It's a fast drift. Look how far we got. You gotta let it scope out more, and then it'll grab the bottom.
It's on the slope right now, probably. Oh, I'm getting a bite right now.
If you get it more up and down straight,
I got a vape pen and I got.
I'm feeling the bottom. I'm definitely touching bottom.
There goes some live
Oh,
ones
that
in
felt like a
there,
hit.
in the bag.
That felt like a hit.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
I saw that.
take it. Stop playing games with it.
There we go.
Fish on! Fish on! Let's see if we can get him in.
Yeah, in the mid
Come on, negative Nancy.
Oh, that rocket, that was a sea robin.
You said negative Nancy. I can't believe you said that.
Let's go.
We in a little pot right now.
This is him, bro. This is him. This is him. Easy. I am. Watch that buoy.
Yeah, we got it. I'm gonna watch it.
Oh yeah,
Is it him?
it's
No, it's not.
Dang, the way how it felt.
yeah, it's that current, man.
Right?
That current got
Still a nice fish. Well, it's a, or should I say it's? I meant to say it is a fish. Oh, we're gonna get caught up on that buoy. Bring my line in. Bring my line in. Drop straight down.
yourself right now.
All right,
Fast.
quarter fish, one more drift, right?
Tap. Hit it again. Come on. There you go.
There he is. There he is. Let's go, Wardell.
I just said this one came. Better be a man and stop worrying about that.
I'm gonna get him. He little. I want to get some footage. Better get some footage. I ain't getting nothing. All right, here you go.
Your glasses ain't on it?
Yeah, they on. They just dying. That one. Little sashimi sandwich.
See the guys on the road? They got their truck pulled right up to the rocks. They got their cooler up there. They chilling.
What, you guys car pulled up there?
Yeah,
That's trucks in sight.
yeah. It's probably lunchtime for them.
I got a hard hat in my car. Walking there with hard hats on. Nothing to see here. Couple guys working.
They're gonna be singing. They're gonna be swinging sinkers at us in a minute. We're gonna be on land and we weigh anymore. It's picking up fast.
Yeah, we're on the grass in Norway.
We're gonna need them to help us push off.
Negative Nancy.
And I look at these pendejos
Right
fishing
there.
right here. He's already giving us the finger.
The visual finger.
Oh, he threw a rock at us. Oh, cuidado. Yeah, he did. He just threw a rock. Oh, he threw a rock at us. Come over there and swing some sinkers at y'all.
Oh, thank you, bro.
Ooh, thought I had
Break
one.
that in half.
No, go ahead, man. Go ahead. I got a lot of reserve.
See, I got a lot of.
It's like nobody's even on the train.
What's going on?
Small.
That's not small, bro.
That camera. Damn it.
This bag about to blow out. Dell's on. He got a small fluke. Let's see what he got. Oh, he got a fluke. Right. This little, nice little fluke.
Second.
Oh, I did too. Got him right where he said. You know, he just flipped over and went straight down. Oh no. No. Oh man.
Stuck?
Immediately.
Got it out?
No.
Reel it in, Cordell, so I can get Frank to rod. Let him move up. Hold up, Frank. I'm gonna move up.
Yeah.
Watch yourself. I gotta make some gas.
I feel the sinker jiggling down there. Up. Yeah.
Out? Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, I'm good. I'm going on the other side.
Yeah. This is a bad spot right here.
Oh, you not in?
He trolling. Trolling.
I was trying
I be trolling.
Life on danger mode over here.
Yeah, he didn't hit me. They hit me. I said I'm not in. Put that shit full time.
Frank said.
He said, Roger that.
Frank said, well, that doesn't look like the type that goes to sleep early.
Yeah. He got full energy, man.
So I was up. I'm going down that.
Yeah, he told me, he said, yo, I was sleeping and Cordell texted me, he ready to go. I was like, yo, he don't look like the guy that goes to sleep early.
He called me at 4.
Yeah, I know, you told me.
This morning, I said, oh shit.
I was
My
like,
alarm went off.
Yo, Ed, I called you at 4:59, bro. You heard? 4:59.
he was waiting for the clock. He says 4:58, I'm gonna wait. I can't wait 2 more minutes. I'm doing it right now.
Right on that fucking rock.
There we go. I'm on.
Let's go, Cordell.
Oh, so. Shit.
Yeah, you are.
He took that. He took that.
He reeling in. He's on
He
there.
ain't on there. He took that. That's a little one.
No, he's on there,
Oh, no, he
bro.
on there.
Oh, they're getting bigger.
Fluke. Let's go, Paul. That's crazy, bro. Little Fluke ate the sand flea.
On the sand
That's what
fleet.
happened yesterday to me.
I was on the sand.
That's how we caught our first one yesterday.
What?
I was dead sticking sand fleas.
On a fucking sand flea, bro.
Yeah.
He hit it hard too. He came up and was like, pop, pop. That's crazy. I never caught a fluke on the sand flea.
No head shakes, but I caught the mother load of greenery.
Tossed salad. Pause.
I got some weeds.
A tossed salad.
What's that on the back?
I don't know. Whoa, look at this thing.
I got some.
A freaking old Fred Flintstone clam.
That's a high low.
I'm taking that.
Yo, look at
It got
this.
sand fleas on it.
Who is this?
That's yours.
What the fuck? You damn sure you are taking it.
That sick his own line. Oh man, I got it too. That sticking ain't good.
Yeah, nah, not at all.
Let's go.
Oh,
Go. Cheese and rice, man.
all right, it's little though. He's mad, head shake. He's like,
Yeah.
they got me.
Uh-huh. Hook me.
All right,
Get bigger though now.
on the board.
We need the big one.
We on the board, little cutie patootie. I'm gonna send you back, but don't tell nobody we here. All right. Got some weeds. Something heavy. See, Robbie? What is it? Big old heavy, a brick? Yo, I caught a bottle. How did I
Got a
catch
whole
it?
bottle of honey. That was
See if
98
it's a
bottles
message
of
in there.
Piano.
Yo, look at
It looks
this.
like a bottle of anything.
Penny White?
Yo, I stay caching weird stuff, bro. Caught a bottle. What kind of bottle is it, though?
What's in there? Little crabs, probably.
Yeah, it
You gotta
stinks.
make some little habitat.
It smells though. All right, so it's a wrap for us. We went out for a little bit. Wind was crazy. We caught some fish, so can't hate on that. We definitely caught some fish, but we're gonna call it. We're gonna go home, enjoy the rest of our Sunday at home with the family. Signing off, Cordell, Anthony from Brothers in Bait, Fish Guts in the house. We out, and we catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.